really actually be the last time driving this car.
I think we might need to take the Sportivo today though. Boosted starlet. Oh, at least the engine's still intact.
Sportivo number 4, baby. Hey yo YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Jaden, back at again with another video. So starting this vlog off, we're back in the Turbo Starlet, and this could really actually be the last time driving this car. So honestly boys, I've been driving this car every day to work, and it is a fun little daily, but I just feel like I need a bit of an upgrade. All my mates drive Evos, S15s, and I'm driving a Turbo Starlet. Obviously I don't have 40 grand to buy a new JDM car, but I do have a bit of spare money, so I could probably buy a new Sportivo or something. So what I'm going to do right now is post the car for sale on Gumtree, and hopefully we can find a buyer. And after that, once we get the money, hopefully find a new Sportivo to drive. I know that's going to be a hard task to do because 99% of Sportivos have been thrashed already. But I believe everything happens for a reason, so hopefully we find the right car. As old as it is, boys, it's pretty reliable. I'm not going to lie to you. Good old Starlet. Who would have thought we would have owned this car again as well? When I sold this thing, I never thought I'd see it again, but we're actually driving it and hopefully someone else can enjoy it. So this car really isn't all that fast. It only made 90 kilowatts on the dyno, but it's only pushing 4 PSI. But I just wanted a reliable car, fuel efficient. Speed it up, brother. Oh mate, you're joking. There's so many little things I'm just gonna miss about this car. The fact that when I pick my younger brother up from school, I have to unlock this door. You know, you got manual windows. So when I do get a new car, I'm just gonna appreciate everything a lot more. Let me just park up right here. Yeah, you love the dose. You'll love the dose, huh? You'll love the dose. Alright, eat what, bruh. So someone on the Starlet page said this car's had more owners than feet and toes. And I'm not gonna lie, bro, that's pretty funny because it's true. It's probably like, I'm probably like the 10th owner right now. But this car's just been kicking on, bro. The car was made in 1998. How many years is that? 23-year-old car. That means this car's 23 years old. It only has 170,000 Ks. This car will be missed, but you know, selling cars gets a lot easier when this is your 9th one. Woo! Bro, that's mad. Like the dose doesn't stop. I don't know what to tell you boys. Like the dose doesn't stop. Lost a bit of traction there, mate. Not bad for 90 kilowatts. What a dose, man. Good old level 5, boys.
Just the other day, shit was all cool. Now I can't catch a break. Thinking about you, I promised that I wouldn't, but I run back to you, cause one more night alone just might not be good for. What got into you? Why you acting brand new for? What I ever do? Maybe I just took it too far. I didn't fall apart, maybe I was a little too much. Now I'm thinking too much, drinking a little too much. But I don't wanna feel how I felt before. Running back to you, I'm running back to you, and I don't wanna.
The next day.
Alright boys, so currently it's the next day right now, and we just picked up a new daily last night. And I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's pretty obvious what car I just bought. Sportivo number 4, baby. This is the cleanest Sportivo that I've owned so far. I think this one's a keeper. But I don't want to spill the beans too soon because this video is about selling the Starlet. But I'm going to do a quick drive around in this new car. So after all the blown gearboxes, oil leaks, we're finally back. After that little stint in the Starlet, I'm not going back to that. This Sportivo definitely hits different after driving that Starlet around. Like we got power windows finally, power steering. Like what more could you want in a daily, honestly? And this Sportivo has a Varix muffler, so we can make it loud whenever. Oof. If you're unsure of what car to get for your first car, I highly recommend getting a Sportivo. If you can find one that's not thrashed.
Here's all Richie's lawnmowers, boys. Think we might need to take the Sportivo today though. About to hit up the wreckers. Pick and payless.
Going to the car graveyard.
Car graveyard, he reckons. So you're looking for a steering wheel? Stock one. If they've got one, toolboxes, pockets and bags will be searched on exit. Nah bro, I've never been here before. Should have got him for the Starlet, bro. I wouldn't be surprised if we see it here today. Is that an EP3? Oh, not the 4-door.
You got a tree.
No, I seen the front end there, bro. It looks like an EP3. EP3. This is where cars go to die. Got rows upon rows. Oh, can't do too much then. Is there another FN2 here? It even took the badge, bro. Boys, we're literally rows upon rows of wrecked cars. Look at this. And Richie's spewing because he wanted this steering wheel off this FN2, but someone already beat us to it, so... what can you do, mate? There's not much left in this car, bro. Just little interior bits. They even stole the metal plates off the pedals, bro. What are you getting from here? Oh, the cam gear. K24, brother.
Shit, it doesn't have variable valve timing.
What do you do, bro? You just spent like 20 minutes taking this off.
Shit, still got VTEC back.
VTEC, brother. Oh, on to the next Honda. FD2, brother.
But the door's locked.
Yeah, that's why he punched a hole through this. Oofed, Starlet. Hopefully this FD2 has a steering wheel. He can't open the door. Let's take a look at this Starlet, boys. This brings me back. Boosted Starlet. Mate, this Starlet has seen better days. Does it even have... oh, at least the engine's still intact. Bro, this place is pretty crazy. I'm not gonna lie to you, boys. Like, there's just cars here everywhere. Like, look at this Starlet. If I ever wanted an ECU, bro, this is where I'd look. Oh, didn't close it hard enough. Where's Richie? Getting the steering wheel out. What a mess. Nah, that's not the steering wheel you need. Hopefully this Honda Jazz has what you need. If not, then we paid $2 for nothing. Richie made it out with the goods. Right on time, boys. Richie got what he needed, so I guess today was a pretty productive one.
What time did we come in? Probably 1:30.
I wouldn't have a clue, bro.
Do you believe in magic?